I should have got that in video, emergency horn. What was that about? That's loud.
Is that emergency horn?
Yeah, it's emergency. That's why it's louder like that. You notice that?
Oh, probably because that guy's on the track.
It's not usually that loud like that. That's out of the way now. We're gonna have a mad train driver, Dad. Right? He's probably pissed off, right? He's probably gonna do it to me, Dad. Is he gonna honk me and scare me?
Get away, you
Oh, that's good.
pretty empty, man.
It's a lot louder, right?